Nearly 2 months after the April 8th solar eclipse, strange occurrences have been happening worldwide. Since the total solar eclipse on April 8th, 2024, the world has seen a surge in unusual events. The year 2024 has been particularly odd, with scientists and zookeepers observing bizarre animal behaviors during the eclipse. Animals like giraffes, gorillas, lions, and flamingos exhibited unusual reactions. Researchers need more knowledge about the effects of total eclipses on animal behavior, as these events are rare. On April 8th, studies at several zoos along the path of totality, including the Fort Worth Zoo in Texas, revealed that most animals remained calm, but some species, such as gorillas, lions, and lemurs, showed heightened alertness and curiosity. Historically, animals have behaved strangely during eclipses, with notable instances such as the one on August 21st, 1560, where birds reacted erratically to the sudden darkness caused by the eclipse. On April 8th, 2024, a solar eclipse cast a shadow over North America, from Mexico through the United States and into Canada, creating a path of totality from Texas to Maine. While modern science has explained the phenomenon, eclipses still draw global attention and stir mixed feelings of awe and fear. This eclipse was followed by reports of strange animal behaviors, such as birds flying erratically and squawking loudly. From a biblical perspective, events like solar eclipses can hold significant meaning. In Genesis 1:14, God created the sun, moon, and stars as signs to mark times and seasons. Eclipses remind us of God's power and the precision of His creation. Jesus also mentions signs in the heavens in Matthew 24:29, linking them to the end times. While we should avoid hasty conclusions, these unusual occurrences remind us of God's control over the universe, prompting us to pray and seek understanding through Scripture. Psalm 19:1 declares the glory of God revealed through the heavens. The eclipse of April 8th, 2024, was not only a visual spectacle but also a trigger for strange happenings, inspiring scientific and spiritual contemplation. Psalm 46:10 encourages us to find peace in God's sovereignty, trusting in His perfect will. The reactions of animals, such as giraffes and gorillas, to the eclipse highlight the interconnectedness of life on Earth with the natural rhythms established by God. During a solar eclipse on April 8th, 2024, the behavior of animals like lions in response to the sudden darkness revealed their deep connection to natural cycles. Typically active at dusk and dawn, lions roared and became more active during the eclipse, as if responding to an early evening. This highlights their reliance on the rhythm of light and darkness, echoing Proverbs 30:30's portrayal of the lion's might among beasts and its response to environmental cues. Such observations underscore the intricate balance in God's creation, where each species exhibits unique behaviors that reflect divine order. The eclipse also prompted reflection on celestial events as signs of God's power and purpose. Romans 1:20 speaks of how creation reveals God's eternal power and divine nature, making the eclipse and subsequent unusual animal behaviors a reminder of His wisdom. This perspective encourages us to marvel at the wonders of creation and acknowledge the Creator's sovereignty. As seen during the eclipse, animals like giraffes, gorillas, and flamingos displayed unusual behaviors, serving as a testament to the complexity and beauty of God's design. Following the eclipse, a G5 geomagnetic storm on May 10th, 2024, intensified these reflections. This powerful storm, part of heightened solar activity, caused spectacular auroras visible far south from their usual locations, captivating observers with their dazzling display. These phenomena, though scientifically explained, also carry spiritual significance for many, evoking biblical passages like Luke 21:25, which speaks of signs in the sun, moon, and stars. While caution is urged against over-interpreting such events, they invite us to consider God's grand design and the unfolding of His divine plan. The beauty and vastness of God's creation, as described in Psalm 8:3-4, highlight the profound connection between celestial events and our appreciation of divine power and love. When we gaze upon the heavens formed by God's hand, the moon and stars reveal the magnitude of creation, prompting us to marvel in humble worship. These cosmic displays serve as a reminder of God's infinite majesty and care for humanity, inviting us to reflect on our place in the universe and the Creator's enduring love. On the other hand, the recent G5 geomagnetic storm that struck Earth on May 10, 2024, underscored the significant impact of natural phenomena on our modern technological infrastructure. Classified as extreme, this storm disrupted various systems reliant on electronics and satellites, such as power grids and GPS networks. The storm induced electric currents in power lines, potentially causing widespread outages and necessitating immediate stabilization efforts. Similarly, disruptions to GPS signals affected navigation across personal devices and commercial aviation, necessitating reliance on alternative methods for safety. Moreover, satellite communications, including television broadcasts and internet services, faced interruptions due to the storm's interference with communication satellites. This event also affected ground-based electronic systems and high-frequency radio communications essential for military and emergency services, highlighting vulnerabilities in our interconnected technological networks. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) played a crucial role in alerting the public and industries to prepare for these disruptions, mirroring the biblical wisdom found in Proverbs 22:3, urging readiness and vigilance in facing challenges, whether physical or spiritual. The text emphasizes how the heavens, as described in the Bible Psalm 19:1, reveal God's glory and sovereignty. It suggests that observing the universe should inspire awe and lead us to seek a deeper understanding of the Creator both through science and spiritual reflection. This dual approach helps us grow in knowledge and faith, recognizing our role in God's crafted world. The prayer reflects on recent natural phenomena, such as a solar eclipse, interpreting them as reminders of God's power and as calls to seek divine guidance in times of uncertainty and change. The passage encourages humility before God's mysteries, urging us to trust His plans even when events seem inexplicable. It asks for wisdom for scientists studying these phenomena and praise for peace for those affected, illustrating a belief that God is present in all circumstances and that through challenges, we can deepen our relationship with Him.
If you found this video enjoyable, please consider liking and sharing it. Additionally, subscribing to this channel will ensure that you receive more updates in the future. Thank you.